If your videos are not getting views, watch time and engagement, the problem might not be your camera, it might be your editing. Today I will show you 10 video editing mistakes beginners make and exactly how you fix them so your videos will look more professional. Let's get started. What's up guys, welcome back to Tutorial by Soundz. If you are serious about improving your video editing skills, hit the subscribe button because I share tips that help creators make better videos. Now let's jump into number 1. Mistake number 1: using too many transitions. Many beginners think every cut needs fancy transition. The truth is that most professionals just use simple cut, and here's the fix: only use transitions when it helps to tell the story of your video. Mistake number 2: ignoring bad audio. People will forgive bad video before they forgive bad audio. If your viewers can't hear you clearly, they will leave. And here is the fix: use a decent microphone and remove background noise whenever it's possible. Mistake number 3: making videos too long. A lot of beginners keep clips longer than necessary. Every second should have a purpose. And here is the fix: cut out pauses, mistakes and unnecessary moments. If you want to learn how I use Premiere Pro app on my iPhone to cut out my pauses, check out this video I pinned above. Mistake number 4: overusing effects. Effects are meant to support your story, not to distract people from it. And here's the fix: keep your effects simple and intentional. Mistake number 5: poor color correction. Many videos look dull because editors skip color correction. And here's the fix: adjust brightness, contrast and white balance before color grading. Mistake number 6: bad music choice. Music creates emotion. Using the wrong music can ruin a good video completely. Here's the fix: choose a music that matches the mood of your content. Mistake number 7: not organizing your footage before editing. Searching for clips during editing wastes a lot of time. Here is the fix: create a folder for your video, audio, effects and graphics before editing. Mistake number 8: inconsistent font style. Using different font style and colors throughout the video makes it look completely messy. And here's the fix: choose a font style and stay consistent with it. Mistake number 9: ignoring pacing. Good editing is all about timing, and here's the fix: keep the video moving and removing anything that slows it down. Mistake number 10: most beginner editors make this mistake a lot: editing without a goal. Many beginners start editing without knowing what they want their viewers to feel. And here's the fix: before editing, ask yourself, what story am I trying to tell? These are 10 video editing mistakes beginners make. Which one are you guilty of? Use the comment section to let me know. Drop your answer in the comment section. If this video helped you, like, comment, like, subscribe, and if this video helped you, like, subscribe and share it with another person. I will see you in the next tutorial.